Everybody, it's Nancy from Halo Wreaths, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate my front porch for fall. You probably, like me, have a ton of these Dollar Tree decorative mesh rolls in fall colors laying around. So I took them and I used the Nadia method to make these adorable little flower bows. And I'll show you at the end of the video how I made them. But I have one of these. It's actually a Christmas tree. It lights up. And I thought, why not? Let's put something on it. So we're going to get started, and we're just going to take a few of these and randomly place them throughout the tree. And before you know it, you're going to have a beautiful, beautiful fall porch decor item. Okay, let's go make those bows.
Okay, y'all, so this one's going to be super, super simple, quick, lemon squeezy, easy peasy. Okay, I had this roll that I got at Dollar Tree last year, I think. Actually, I got like 6 of them because, you know, it takes 6 Dollar Tree rolls to make a wreath. And I never made anything with them. So I'm going to take just a rough cut with scissors, honestly, because I can't find my rotary cutters yet. And yes, this is a hot mess still. I'm working on it, but I had to get a craft out or else I was going to explode. So, what I'm doing is I'm measuring off 20 inches of, mesh based on my little, measuring board here. And just going to measure off 20 inches, cut it, and I'm just going to take it, fold it up in a little circle, just like so, overlap it a little bit, about 1.5 inches, okay, and then take that overlap section, put it right in the center, and then you're going to scrunch right up the middle. My big puppy dog Pete is in here with me today. He is so happy he's allowed in Mommy's craft space. I don't know for how long though, so you better be a good boy. Okay, so now once you've got it squished together, you're just going to wrap it up with a pre-cut zip tie, and boom, there you go. It's just a simple little flower, butterfly, whatever you want to call it, and you have just enough left to wrap around your tree. Look, he's already over there trying to get into something. So, okay, let's go get these put on the tree. Okay, let's go.
Take a step back, check it all out, make sure you're doing good, find your empty spot, and carry one along with you just in case. Find my wire cutters. But like this, it's so close to fall already, it's so close to Halloween. These are, I've had them for a couple of years. They're aged. Let's just go ahead and use them up, okay? It's not like I'm going to make a wreath and sell this. So let's just use them up on the profit.
Okay, I just realized y'all couldn't see the whole project, so let's move it.
There we go. Now, you know, I have bought these things so many times at the Dollar Tree. They are called amaranthus, and I buy them and buy them and buy them, and I never ever use them. I got so many of these things, so I'm gonna cut one off and see how it looks. This I don't mind cutting because I never use them anyway, right? Hopefully I won't ruin my scissors. Okay. Let's just try one. From the top. Yes. Now that looks cute. I found the place for amaranthus to go. What do you think? Boop, boop. She's done. You sit back a little bit. My beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, front porch. Just moved in. That wreath look familiar? I decided to keep it. Anyway, y'all pray for her. Pray she stays up.